Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If Telegram shows the error, app was unable to play this video on your iPhone, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the best ways to fix it step by step. Let's get started with some basic solutions. First, check your internet connection. Try to switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see which one works better. Turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. If you're using a VPN or proxy app, turn it off and ensure you're on the latest version. If that does not work, then follow these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear the cache. So open Telegram, then go to Settings, tap Data and Storage. Scroll up and tap Storage Usage. Tap Clear Entire Cache and try playing the video again. This forces Telegram to refetch the video data from the server. Solution 2. Download the video manually. If streaming fails, tap the download arrow on the video. Wait for it to be downloaded. Then try playing it again from the chat. Solution 3. Open in an external player. Long press the video in the chat. Tap Select. Then tap the share icon at the bottom. Choose VLC if you have it installed, or tap Save to Files. Open the file directly from the Files app or VLC. VLC can play almost any video format that the iPhone's default system cannot. Solution 4. Free up iPhone storage. Go to iPhone Settings, then tap General and go to iPhone Storage. Make sure you have enough free space. Telegram can't buffer or play videos properly when storage is full. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more Telegram and iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.